Staring outside the picture window, watching rain pour down from storm Leonardo. Flood alerts coming hard on the news radio. Thinking on plans made but can no longer go. Resting assured, high and dry in our temporary home. Watching the rain slashing hard on the land, hitting hard in our head with a locked at demand. Wondering what to do if we can. Looking for the sky breaks from this home. And the sun may not shine for a time, but we'll see when the day that we hope for could possibly be. But we take in the moment and reflect our real needs. High and dry is a good place to stay inside this home. And the world seems small in our quest for the moon, as we look back in pity and try to swallow our gloom. It's a moment of solitude, all coming on too soon. But we reset priorities, take stock here in this home. Sometimes it can seem, when things don't fall into place, you can make all kinds of plans, but they may get erased. Mother Nature can't change her mind on a dime, spit rain in your face. Nothing to do but to stay warm and dry, safe inside the home. And the sun may not shine for a time, but it will when it does. It's time to get out and grab that day to kill. So we stay and pray forgiveness for now, that is the drill. Check the weather app and wait while we hide inside our holiday home. Now the wind dies down and teases with some light, now appearing in our theater. Things may be alright, here comes the sun, rejoice and watch the mood ignite. Time to boot it on outside the cage that was the home. Time to taste the sights and sounds around with our strange delight. We spend our stored enthusiasm right into the night. Exhaust the wheels of time, our freedom feeling good and bright. Then back to where we started from, to dear old home, sweet home. And the sun brings to mind what we came for. It does what we left far behind, what we need just because it's the warmth that we long for. In sun God we trust, it's about time. Step in and shine, holiday home. Goodbye rain delay, hello holiday. Hola, día soleado. Hola, día soleado. Hola, día soleado.